Yeah, hello guys. In this video I will tell you how to install Webroot on a new computer. So if you have a new computer, then first of all you need to check if it already have any antivirus, because when you take a new computer it usually comes with a promo of antivirus which comes for 1 month. Usually it is McAfee, sometimes AVG also comes, or Avast also comes with some computers. So you need to check. Okay, first of all check for any other antivirus in the computer. You need to remove that thing. Okay, if you have a new license for the Webroot and you want to install it, then you need to remove the other antivirus from the computer, because they may conflict each other. Okay, because they are going to use the same resources from your computer, and in this way they may conflict each other. Okay, so first of all get rid of the promo things, okay, the promo antivirus, and then you are ready to install your Webroot in your brand new computer. Now first of all just open the computer and open a web browser. If you have a new computer, then you must have Microsoft Edge, which is like a small e. Okay, you just need to click on that, open that web browser, and on the URL box you need to type a URL, that is www.webroot.com/save. okay, on this URL you will find two boxes. The first one is for your email, and the second one is for your key code. Okay, you need to put the email and key code, and then you need to click next. When you will click next, it will automatically download your program. Okay, it will automatically download your program. Now you just need to run that download. Okay, and when you will run the download, it will show you some system prompts. You need to follow the positive options. Okay, and when you will follow the positive options, it will ask you the key code and the email again in the steps, and you need to just provide that and finish the setup. And when the setup is complete, the Webroot will start scanning your computer for the first time. Okay, so here you need to take care of any promo antivirus. If you have any, you just need to uninstall it. Okay, and if you do not know how to uninstall a program from the computer, from your new computer, you want to uninstall it, then you just need to go to the control panel. Okay, control panel. In the control panel you need to see for the programs and features option. Okay, in this option when you will go, it will show you the list of the programs which are installed in your computer, and then you can find the other antivirus which is just installed for promo. Okay, you can just remove it by just double clicking on it. When you will double click on it, it will show you the option. If you want to remove, you just need to follow the positive options to complete the removal. Okay, and one more thing here I want to let you know. If you have a new computer with Windows 10 with S mode, okay, in this, if you have S mode, you need to check in the Microsoft Store. Okay, if in the Microsoft Store the Webroot is available, then you can only download it, but currently I believe that it is not available in the Microsoft Store. So what you need to do, you need to go out of S mode, because this S mode won't allow you to download any third party software in the computer. Like if you want to download any third party other than the Microsoft and the affiliates, you want to install any other software, then it won't download in the computer. Okay, so for doing this, you need to just check my videos. I already provided that video to how to get out of Windows 10 with S mode. Okay, you just need to follow some simple steps and you will be out of that S mode. That's it. Okay, and this is it for today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.